Rolly Worsfold backing out for his first flight Friday. Rolly is rolling. In the air. He's got a four-banger, no less four-banger. I guess they call it the Pegasus engine. PT-19 backing out.
Howard Davidson and Olin Rutherford.
What a beauty.
Ed Taylor, you're in the hole on flight line 1.
Chandel. Flyby for Rolly. Rear one Speedster. I have one of those. Built by Glenn Bone, my good friend. Dirty flyby for the Beechcraft. Overshoot. This should be a landing. Oh, beautiful. Very nice, very nice. Nice rear one. Overshoot. Okay, it looks like Rolly's probably coming in for his touch and go. He's down. Touch and go, right? All right. He's down. The man from Canada.
Kamloops, BC.
Big pits. John Boyko with his pits. Ready to go, ready to roll. His first flight Friday. Look at that torque, will ya? Big, beautiful doll. Gary Parenti flying his aircraft he flew at the World Championships in Sweden. Okay, Greg Hahn is taxiing out for his first flight on Friday. B-25. He's turning into position. And he is ready to roll now. Gears up.
We've just been informed that the food tent has been restocked with food, so if you guys didn't get a sandwich, run on back and get something. Look at them run. There's all the hungry guys.
The Mustang is down. Pitts. Okay, it looks like the Pitts is coming home. Very nice. Greg's got that thing dialed in. Very plenty. Gary's down.
We've got a migration of pilots and people are up along the flight line.
Very nice. P-28. Gear down. That means something. Oh, nice one, Craig. Very well done. Brakes. In the grass. What a guy. Colonel Greg Hahn, U.S. Army Air Forces. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Down. The jug.
Lawrence Harville, Texas.
Yeah, Arvin.
Gear up. You notice how they do that? Just every time I say gear up, they do it. Isn't that nice of them?
Dale Arvin, we need your pen.
Simpson. Chipmunk. His first flight on Friday. Turning into position. Ready to go. Uh-oh. Now he's got it going. Flyby for the Stinson. Okay, the Thunderbolt is coming home. Oh, overshoot. My mistake. Okay, the P-47 is coming home this time.
Got a crosswind.
Very nice. Overshoot, overshoot. Okay, the Chipmunk is coming home. Pinson is down. Kim Foster preparing for his first flight Friday, right, Kim?
Yeah.
The DH Moth 94.
Oh, okay.
Kim Foster. He's in the air. Spacewalker. I think he may be doing a touch and go here. Nice, nice, nice. Very good. Rowan Cremens is coming in from New England.
Rowan Crummett and Edward O'Macaulay.
Looks like a flyby for Kim Foster. His dive breakdown. Okay, Kim Foster is coming home. A little bumpy, a little bumpy. Uh-oh. Maybe it was a touch and go, I don't know. This, I'm sure, will be a landing. John Fay, Spitfire. Very nice. The sun is shining, not for long. Okay, the Spitfire is coming home. He's down, he's down. All right. Dave Johnson, Albatross 3. Albatross D3. Very nice, Dave. Heindecker, who started round 2.
Arthur Shelton.
About 2:30 in the afternoon. Wow, what a climber. Team scale. Down. Nice. Oh, that's probably one of the best landings of the day. Yes, sir. Overshoot. Okay, Dave Johnson is coming home in the grass. And a little bit of a crosswind. Oh, nice one. Okay, all the way from Keller, Texas, we got Jerry Nelson. And Steve, what do you got going here?
So, picture what this is first.
I said, it's a Ronca, we know that.